Hey folks, it's Piano Man Steve Lungrin, and I want to alert you to a very, very special opportunity that just came my way. We are going to be doing a Keys on the Seas 7-day cruise of the Mexican Riviera, January 18th through January 25th of 2020. So it's a little ways in the future, a year and a few months, but believe it or not, the time to book, if you're interested in such a thing, is now. And what it's going to be is that I'm going to do 8 one-hour seminars detailing my method, the Piano Man approach, step by step. And it's going to be over the course of 7 days. And during that 7 days, I'm going to do all the teaching on a few of the days that we're just going to be cruising at sea, with plenty of time even on those days to go enjoy all the amenities on the ship and the beautiful views of the Pacific Ocean, and just have lots and lots of fun and relaxation. And then in the middle of that trip, there will be 3 days with no teaching and just amazing ports of call: Cabo San Lucas, Mazatlan, and Puerto Vallarta. So it's going to be incredible. We take off in Los Angeles on the 18th. We return to the port in Los Angeles on the 25th. Even the most expensive cabins, the ones on with balconies and everything, are less than $1,000 based on double occupancy. For 7 days, that's absolutely incredible. So this is a very affordable cruise. There are more affordable options even than that. If you're on YouTube watching this, please click the link I've provided, which will take you to my website. There's a whole page on the website detailing everything about the pricing and how you can book. And if you have any questions, you can ask me some questions, and the folks that have helped set this up are going to have all the logistical answers for you. So we got all that goop there. So visit that page, and if you're already watching this video on that page, then there's a lot more information about it below. But I just want you to know it's going to be a tremendous amount of fun. I don't care if you're just a fan who wants a chance to hang out and meet. We're going to do some fun mixers and stuff. I've been dying to meet some of you guys from around the world for years. This will be a wonderful chance, and I get to do not only some teaching, but we're going to do Q&As. So I'm going to get a chance to answer your questions in real time with a piano in front of me, hopefully really help transform your playing to the next level. There's also going to be piano teachers in the crowd, people that are already educators of this instrument who want to add a new method to their madness, something that they can put in their arsenal and help their students understand the piano from even a different point of view. So there's going to be a lot of fun, like-minded people. It's going to be a cruise just like any other cruise. There are going to be people there that have nothing to do with our group, but it's just going to be amazing. Great fellowship, great food, great fun, music. Oh, and I'm going to do a little concert as a wrap-up at the end of the thing. I'm so excited. I seriously don't know how in the world I'm going to contain myself for a year and a few months before we finally get to do the thing. So anyway, I wanted to let you know about it, and you can get the rest of the information right there on that web page. So visit the link that I have to that page if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're already on that page, read what I've written, look at the schedule, and then there's some PDF files you can download below. There's a schedule and an itinerary and stuff about the rates. Contact Bill and Terry Obermeyer, which I've got their contact information up here, to inquire about pricing and booking and all of that. And get on the list soon, because we have a limited number of slots. They're going to go very fast, and we are going to have the time of our lives. So I hope that I see you in January of 2020 for Keys on the Seas. I can't wait. I've been telling you for a long time, if you're not having fun when you're making music, you're doing it wrong. Well, this sounds like a hell of a lot of fun to me, so it can't be wrong. I'll see you there.